What's going on today? I'm going to show you how to install some add-ons in Blender that can help you in the future. So go to Edit Preferences, right here, Extra Objects, or just write Extra, and you will have Add Curve and Add Mesh. You mainly need Add Mesh, but if you add Curve, you can have some benefit. If you press now Shift A, you will have a rock generator, a vert, round cube, some three kinds of torus object, math function, gears, pipes, diamonds, extras, and much more. Now in the add curve, when I added the curve, all of these were from the add curve. So like these were just from the add from the extra objects for the add curve. So now we're gonna go to the next one. Ah! The second one is the archy mesh. The archy mesh lets you build up some windows, doors, rooms, floors, and roofs. So we'll go to Edit Preferences and right here, archy mesh. Alright, click it and Shift A, and you're gonna see, I think it will be down, Archimesh, Archimesh, room, door, rail window, panel window, cabinet shelves, more. And you have also some decoration props as books, lamp, curtains, and Japanese curtains. Anyways, I'm gonna give you some examples. For example, you need to build a pyramid. For me, I did a complete video in Arabic of some pyramids in 30 minutes, which is so hard. But now I just knew that there was extras step pyramid, which you can edit it, number of sides, for example, 4 as the pyramid, and you can make the number of steps. Of course, when it comes to the top, it duplicates it on the opposite side. So you can add the width to make it high, or you can make it low, reduce the steps, and make the height lower. For example, this is the size of a normal pyramid. You can make it like this, and then make the steps, number of steps, example like this, and it will give you a huge pyramid with 65 steps. Another example, we can make a diamond. You have three kinds: brilliant diamond, diamond, and gem. You can experiment with them by going in the settings, segments, radius, table height, and much more. What's also interesting is that there's a rock generator which makes random rocks using the scale that you want. For example, in the Y, you want to make it long, so it gives you the right size if you make it here, the correct size to make a huge, simple rock. Again, you can add the deformation, the roughness, which can be a bit jaggy, but sometimes very nice, the smooth factor, the display detail, which is much better. It gives up much more details, as you can see, and Yeah, you can experiment much more. Go mesh, single vert, round cube, doors, twisted doors, for example. You can make anything you want, literally. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.